You know, for almost 9-10 years, that mark box laid over there on that fence line on its side. My daddy loved Martins. And last year, I put that sumbitch in the ground where it'd stand up right, because I got right. You know, you'll see it, you'll read it, you'll study it in the Bible, where Judas comes in and trades out Jesus for 30 shekels. And when we read history and plays, we'll see where Julius Caesar looks at Brutus and says, "E tu, Brute," as he betrays him and stabs Julius Caesar in the back. And we think, dear God, that's terrible. But when we go into the bathrooms and we look in the mirrors, how often do we think of the greatest betrayal is of ourselves? See, when we get on to drugs, when we lose the fashion of eating properly, when we find that alcohol is a substitute for water, when we go to gambling and losing everything, when we absolutely give up on ourselves and betray everything that God intended for us to be, to me, that is the ultimate betrayal. And when you realize that, and you come to terms with that, and you're ready to fucking accept that, then you got the greatest opportunity in the world to overcome something and show your children and your country and the people around you that you've repented. It's the greatest show on earth when you see somebody stop betraying themselves. It empowers people. It leads people. It inspires people. It's the one form of courage that everybody knows deep down in their heart that they want the most. They want to win. They don't want to go on fucking themselves off. Today, if you're looking for that, it's there. It's in the mirror. You don't have to keep on betraying yourself. You can do yourself right. God bless you. Fluid English.